People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about another Don that has been sent to Irie heaven. This one, they call him Bossy. Real name, Javon Bosio sing. Bossy name that. Man. They have name like them, the local YouTuber Afro Bad Mind, yo. But a quote-unquote music producer. Was a cover, as usual. Claim say my top man at Homestead. I run Homestead. Dan fit Homestead. He was killed in a confrontation with the security forces. I'm going to talk about it because they're going to even show no. So even in death, your favorite Dan them, your favorite killy them. Even time the Dan dead and gone. Carry rather fling her front on him. And fling it on you. It has to be studied. Hopefully in 6,000 years the culture can be eradicated. I mean, we can cut down crime and reduce crime, but the culture, hopefully when a generation of Gen Z Jezebels and them Kerry are gone and all are we gone, hopefully by, obviously it's not 6,000 years, but hopefully in the near future we can get a whole different to the Jamaican men and women. It's vile. Before we go into that, I have two shoutouts. The first one goes out to a veteran of the Patron squad, SP. Me see a message. I'm flabbergasted. I'm flabbergastroenteritis. Me no see the next message, SP. You must have Patron or your thing. Just so you link me. Cause sometimes you might send me an email or you send me something on IG and get so much message by the time I go through message them. We don't about them. The day I'll pass. But SP, big up yourself. You know me not have to say much to you already. You know it already. You know me and your thing set already. Right. So SP, big up yourself. One more year around the sun. Many more to come. Then I got tired for the name there, you know. SP, the great SP from the Patron squad. One of the longest usernames I can remember. Some usernames me just remember them from them time there. Cause I can show you it's a long time. Right, them are running the local YouTuber. It's like we're up on a marathon and we are running together. Be a sweat. Right. Big up SP. Next up. Gun tell her tell me say local YouTuber. Sunborn, safe and sound. Him and him wife welcome a beautiful baby boy into this world. Healthy and strong. Cause that's all that matters. You know, in the Jamaican culture, when baby born, everybody want to talk about who, if the baby look like this and if the baby I got this and if the baby that. Only thing we need to make sure, or the only thing we need for Oprah, is that the baby them healthy. That is it. That is all you should be concerned with. If the baby them healthy. Because if you ever take a trip going to the Boston hospital, you see some things down there make all the bodies of man, make you how tough you want to be, make your heart melt up. You have to go in one corner. Right? So we love when time the youth them born healthy and strong. Go and tell her your wife, big up on yourself. The local general, we give you 1 2 years, you soon start hear the thunder and say roar. Like Shantae, grand youth them. Go and tell her and SP, big up on yourself. Now, Bossy sent to Irie heaven. That's Bossy on your screen right there, so. You know it already. One more innocent youth, bad mind, cause all of this. That right there is the Don, or was the Don if it Homestead. Watching Matic in 9 ways. Matic they ready for go so one Don, rich badness and a party money. I'm trying to see if I can see the ribs poking out in the shirt. Member of poverty and sufferation make Bossy would have to chop badness and the crime and all them things there. Sufferation. I want to look at food in my belly. I try to see if I can see ribs that must stick out. What kind of hat that pan him head? Polo? Like water polo? Or is it Marco Polo? What kind of shirt that? What kind of shoes that on him foot? Then how me finna bad my name? How me finna bad my name? Rich badness! Javon Bosio sing. Police them kill him. And by the way, Bossy is a youth way get catch and go before the court charity no more. Bust the case. I'm gonna show now a video of Bossy. In the video you're gonna see someone who heartbeat them, some of the woman them are mad over. And I send 100 messages and I get a response and still I said 100 more. I can show and say she can't answer because she too busy wine on a dead man poster. It has to be studied. Look on this for me show you a video. R.I.P. Bossy with beer shot. R.I.P. Bossy with beer shot. Right next to the Glock. When you put on a chip on it, it goes rat-tat-tat. Man a party with illegal matic with extended magazine, you know. But him friends and family I gotta tell us they never hear about film name on a crime yet and them don't know how, them don't even know why police will look for him. Has to be studied. Let me show you a video. Check this out. Let me play it one more time. Check it out, man. I want to tell the youths them if don't be done. I understand fully why when time I tell youths them to yo, left out them badness and them dancing there, them say look at you suck him more. I understand. Why would they? Because they must have think to themselves, I'm trying to deprive them of something great. You're telling me that I shouldn't try to be like Bossy. You're telling me I shouldn't try to be like Tickman. You're telling me I shouldn't try to be like Termine. And when time them man they dead, the way how we see people respond to them is on a whole different level compared to when time nurse and teacher and engineer and all them quote unquote nerds there. Why would I want to be like them? I don't want to be like them. When time them dead, all them family and them friends them care. When time they done dead, everybody dead upon them ears temple. Woman all a bend over and a back it up. Let me explain something to you, Irie guy. Not for you Sims are going to learn the hard way. Because you sit down on the yard and stress out on yourself over a woman we don't have time to turn up at your graduation. You graduate from art. You go learn trade. You graduate from UE. You graduate from UTech. You graduate from the German mechanic school. You graduate from all both. And she not have no time for that guy. She tell us that she busy. But Bossy dead. And she find time. If you go wind up on a dead man poster guy, I wonder if you realize that no one will listen to this right now. I have to pay a woman for wind up on her. You have to go down and one go club go pay one woman. And I'm not saying this like this by the way, because we understand it already. Some man lucky woman, some man not. But no one will listen to this right now. You have to pay good money. You have to stuff $100 and $1 US dollar bill in a one girl bingo French cut and G-string. Fishy wine pan and back it up. And a dead man, a dead Dan, I get woman and compete for wine over in cardboard cutout guy. In Jamaica, a dead Dan on a cardboard can get more eagle eye front rub pan Bossy waistline as a cardboard than enough man were alive and I walk up and down every day. The sooner you Irish Saxons and Irimanians understand the culture is the better for you. This is why I don't feel sorry for men when I mean talk about who the girl that wicked cause look come treat her nice, I'm treat her nice, and look how she run back a cypher and run back a Bossy. I can't feel sorry for you guy because stay in your lane. Too much on I try save kerosenes when there's a whole section of Jamaican women who don't come with none of that chaos, misery and death and acidity, but you know no time for them. Understand the optics. You cannot tell a youth in the garrison that being a Don is a bad thing, because not only is the Don the man in life, but he's the man in death. Because what he's seeing, he doesn't see for anybody else. The teacher, engineer, scientist, doctor, philosopher, they don't get this guy. Woman a war for wine pon a dead man cardboard cutout. Irish Saxon females are lining up to go back it up on a dead man cardboard cutout. Even in death, the Don can get a backers where you can't get on your life. It has to be studied. Even in death, Bossy get backers. He can't even stand up. Learn the culture and learn what you're up against. Stay in your lane. I'm saying this because people send me the message and I say, oh, look what you better see it though. Look what I'm going to guy. Stay in your lane. These type of females are not for you. There is no need getting upset. There's no need trying to reform a kerosene. The type of woman that get excited at someone like Bossy and want to bust it open for him. Understand, that's not your type of female. Just stay in your lane. Let them self-destruct. And by the way, when me I watch the video, how me feel about mine Bossy when time when I look at the video, me see all kind of vehicles around there. Me see look like Range Rover, me see Lamborghini and all kind of stuff. This is the poverty and sufferation. This is people now have nothing, guy. I'm telling you all the time. It's unicorn meat in a bad man place. You're gonna see the same thing you see anywhere else. The narrative has been debunked. The myth has been debunked. Years ago we killed that. Bad man place is not bad man place because people are poor and starving and have to kill to survive. It's unicorn meat. It's unicorn meat. If you had applied any critical thinking to it from day one, you know it doesn't add up. When people who can't afford a slice of bread, so he has to kill, turn up at court with the most expensive lawyers in the country. It doesn't add up, does it? I cannot afford a slice of bread, but I can afford the most expensive lawyers in the country. And even me get found guilty, me can still have enough money to fight the appeal. I cannot afford to go do one course and learn this and that, but I can afford the most expensive rifles. And when time I'm dead, my funeral costs multiple millions. This is the narrative. My family can't afford to send me if I'm going to learn nothing. If I'm going to learn a skill or get an education or learn nothing. My family can't afford it, but the same youth when him dead, him family can afford a multi-million-dollar funeral package. Them draw him in a one glass earth, guy. Glass earth. But they could not afford to send him for one little course for him learn something in a tough head. The narrative has always been silly. It's been right there in front of you this whole time. But that's the difference between education, knowledge, and intelligence. A lot of you Irish Saxons are just reading things, right, and then go do pass exams and sound bright. You're not applying no real thinking, guy. Here's no me I talk about this. His family could not send him to go do this course that cost $70,000. The course costs $100,000. That's too expensive. Can't afford it. Must go to him yard. But when him dead, the funeral package costs $2 million. It has to be studied. Bossy's in Irie heaven right now. Termite and Tickman them. Him still link up back with no phone. Irie heaven. What a place. Must be full of vibes. You're so nice. But don't tell me if you stop bad-minded Dan. Don't tell me if you stop bad-minded Dan. Cause you see it, Bossy have big matic in a waist extended. magazine, rich badness, Benz, Beamer, Range Rover, and on top of it, all in cardboard cut out. I get more girl and the look YouTuber. All in cardboard cut out girl dash legal life, man. Look YouTuber can't get them sitting there. So no must have a bad mind him. Anyway, Patron squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Outer squad, stay circling. Bless.